What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today let's loot it up. Like this whole shulker about here, I did 2 of them. It's like we're just gonna do 2 more arch illager fights. So yeah, I'm trying to get the my goal is to get the beehive armor. Yeah, my armor was kind of pretty low, but we can take on another. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna teleport. So 8,000 blocks. 1,000 blocks away. Oh, well, gosh dang it. Now we're just gonna locate. Go to 7044. Like 70. Negative 31. Oopsie. There we go. Okay. Here. Survival. Try and get everything ready. Get my turret and shield in. The wind book. Put that up. Okay, I'm about ready. Hold up. Eat this. I'm about ready for this fight. Why is everyone doing trade? I'm gonna instantly get killed, but oh well. Alright, let's get him. Last video of me fighting the arch illager. Okay. Get cooked. Get cooked, noob. This is the Alice's Dungeon mod. Y'all need to check this out. It's actually really good. For any of y'all that asked how I get it on Switch, just let me know if you want a video. You can basically get it on any console. I got no arrows, so that's basically useless. Wait a minute. I'll use that. Later. Okay. I can't sprint because my armor prevents me from sprinting. But if y'all want to know how I got this mod on my Switch, just let me know. Camera quality is way better, so. I got the total I'm showing when I did one of those other fights. You cook noob. I win. Whoa, what the heck? Okay. Wait, no. My armor needs the XP. Okay, that's full now. God, that gives out. Look, I believe XP, huh? Alright, beehive armor, please. I can't say what. I got another totem of shielding, yeah. See, I got another totem of shielding. Okay, that's all. I got nightmares, like the thing again. Help, kind of all the soul stuff. Okay, yeah, but you can get beehive armor from this. I know you can because when we fought them on like the last video, my friend got beehive armor. So, yeah, you want to check that out. It's called just the Archer Lizard. Yep. Okay, now let's just teleport to 40,000. And then zoom out 70 and negative 40,000. Slash. Wait, did I pick up my shulker box? Oh well, we'll find out later. Wait, right, hold on, let me go on survival real fast so I can see if I did. Okay, I did, yeah. Here, is there a blacksmith here? I just burned my stuff. I do need some food, so yeah, we'll grab the carrots. No, okay, I'll just get my stuff off the skill then. Like all the crossbows and like iron axes is what I'm talking about. I'll give the efficiency one. Actually combine some of these axes to make it stronger or have more durability. Now I want to get home, back to my village. Y'all, I haven't seen my village. I've been building it off camera. Been building like a little desert village. So yeah. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna set the time days because I'm not gonna sleep and lose my spawn. So okay, I think I'm now good to go to locate that structure. Okay, let's do it. I might not be posting a couple videos for like a little bit, but hey. Just enter all this in. Okay. Yeah, we're going for the beehive armor. So yeah. Sorry, I'm not the best right now, you know, for my voice. So yeah. Just go up. Boom. I do have food. I don't want to eat these carrots. Do I want my speed? I think I might do my speed. I'm gonna use my speed potion for this one, so I'll just swap it out with leap. Okay.
Hard. Ow, 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 ow. Ew, ew, ow. Ew, ew, ow, ew, 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 ow, ew, ew, ow, ew,
What the heck? How he hit me from there? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Let me just go back. I died. Gosh dang it. I was just spamming his guys. I couldn't even get a second to go up there and hit him. I swear, if you just spawn more Max, I'm gonna crash out. Good cook, noob. I win. Yep. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Oh, so do you know how to like get those diamond chests over there and like in trailers or something? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This guy is just like not letting me touch him. This is a great mod. I can't explain it. Like, it really is. I can't move. I can't. Oh, y'all saw that, right? Oh. I gotta heal up real quick. Okay. Perfect. We're somewhat prepared now. That was those sounds, am I right? So if that all is blurry, I'm actually gonna be mad. Beehive armor? Beehive armor? No beehive armor. This is rigged, guys. What is this? Okay, I got another totem of shielding. Makes 3. If I'm right. I don't need cobblestone in there. Put that right there. Block that has a place, Is that just it? Is that everything? Gotta make sure. Yep. Okay, probably it for this video. I am gonna get beehive armor today, but I probably won't get on camera then. Anyways, see ya. See you all next time. See ya.